Today, we're talking about Instagram TV. Let's get into it. So before we actually continue, just a few things. I've been inactive on this channel for a while, and I do want to continue, though I'm afraid that I haven't got that much time for it. I still want to concentrate on my German channel, but there's just not that much time because we're at the end of the semester now and we're gonna get our grades. But then the summer holidays are gonna come, and then there's gonna be plenty of time also for the English channel. And I gotta say, I do plan on doing some pretty epic stuff on here, that's for sure. But now let's actually get into the app, or the feature of the app, Instagram, that's recently been added. I'm pretty much recording this the day it came out, and I gotta say, when I first discovered it, I thought like, okay, is this really necessary? But then, when I looked at it a little bit more, I thought, this is pretty neat. Why is that? I'm in it right now. I'm just gonna open Instagram TV and we're seeing that the sound's currently on, but we're seeing that we can switch between the videos pretty easily, and it just works really well for watching some videos while on the go, or while just browsing through Instagram and liking those pictures, seeing those stories. You can now also see videos that are a little bit longer than the usual 1-minute videos and the stories. And with this, I think that we can see that Instagram wants to expand a little bit in terms of video. In the recent years, it stretched the length of the videos to 1 minute. Before that was 15 seconds. Now it's 1 minute, and now you can upload videos up to 1 hour with Instagram TV, which is pretty neat, I think. But what's this good for? Now, of course, there are gonna be some YouTubers who just upload their YouTube videos onto Instagram TV, but as we saw with Unbox Therapy, he just made like an Instagram TV version of his video about that Oppo phone. I think it's from Oppo. What brand is it from, actually? And he also made kind of a cool version of subtitles, not just text that's like below here, but it's all over the place and it looks cool. And Jared Polin, that's just the first one that I saw on there, uploaded just his whole YouTube video on there, which was Photo News Fix. And this is where I see the potential of Instagram TV. The news agencies who are especially gonna profit from it. Because like I said, if you're just gonna casually tap on that Instagram TV logo and directly see some important news, like from CNN or that kind of stuff, the big news agencies, they're gonna inform you right away what the important news are. And I don't think the videos on Instagram TV are gonna be that long, just if you're like really bored and don't want to watch YouTube. I think that they're gonna be shorter, like 2 to 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, that's where it's gonna be. Maybe just over 1 minute, but I think 1 minute is also, it's possible, because most people aren't gonna spend their whole time watching Instagram TV videos. If they really want to watch videos, they rather watch it on YouTube, because you can do it in a 16:9 aspect ratio and not just the 9:16 aspect ratio, basically, that you've got on Instagram TV. Which is also important to say, because Instagram TV doesn't allow you to do a 16:9 aspect ratio and flip the phone. It's always going to stay in vertical, which is a disadvantage of it for us YouTubers, because we can't upload our YouTube videos without either having to compromise and deal with the much smaller size of the video, or you gotta make an entire version for Instagram TV, which I don't think you'd want to do as a YouTuber. But now, what I see this being really great for is like kind of like a secondary channel. While for us YouTubers, YouTube is obviously the main platform, Instagram might be a very good second platform, which it is already, but Instagram TV especially has some potential for uploading like secondary non-cinematic videos, if you get what I mean. Like some daily vlogs that you don't even need a camera for, like that you just film on your phone, even in vertical mode, because it's gonna be much better. And also it's gonna stay on the entire iOS or Android system. You don't have to import things to your PC. You can just add it on iMovie and still make a watchable video. Something like a very non-cinematic but chilly daily vlog. One thing I forgot to mention. You can continue watching videos like so. Let's just do it right here. I watched this video just for a few seconds. It's from Simon, an Instagram fan of mine. So that's a great feature. You see that he's just talking a little bit and the video already kind of started and I didn't have to re-watch the whole thing. I could just continue from the point where I stopped, and I think that's a great thing because if you just don't have that much time to watch a whole video but still want to watch something on Instagram TV, I think it's a great way just to split up your time watching a video and basically wasting every free moment of your life for Instagram TV. I think that I'm gonna try this out. I don't know yet if I'm doing this in English or in German, but actually maybe I can do both on one Instagram account. What's your opinion on this? Tell me in the comments down below. And also tell me if you've used Instagram TV yet, what are your thoughts about that? And I guess I say, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and also activate the bell if you don't want to miss out on any video. And let's just say, that's it for this video. Peace out!